Mehdi with WTI, and if you're looking for a nice nightstand setup too and very light quality, then maybe you want to try the nightstands from MOOACE. What I like about the nightstands is that they are easy to move, they're very light and very easy to put together. I'm going to take one of the nightstands apart so you can see how easy it is to put it together, and you can just move it all over the place. You can use it in your bedroom or even in your living room or in whichever place you want to use. They're very good, they have a good quality, and they're very nice and pretty. I'm just going to show you how to do it. The nightstands are very easy to put together. Comes with a complete set, and you can use it anywhere, any room you like. I'm using these tables, the nightstands, in my guest room, which give a very nice touch to the room, and it matches perfectly with the bed. I really like them, they're very nice, and if you're looking for something like this, I recommend you to try the MOOACE nightstands. But this is just my point of view.